Alright, let's go. We're rolling.
It's war.
Yeah.
Go.
So wait. Alright, the sand is
go.
subsided. Go. Ow. Ow. The sand. It's poking me. Ow. Run, troops, run. Oh, I'm gonna take my shoes off.
I can't tell. Put that back.
Oh my god. Go, troops, go! We need to get to the water, but the sandstorm. Oof. Alright. Panzer! Incoming Panzer! Running in the 90s. We need to make it to the water.
It's like Lake Michigan.
Away with me. So where are we?
We're in Gallipoli.
Are you guys getting this? Lieutenant Justin, come back! No! Where's he going? Guys! He's running! Oh! It's muddy and stinky.
We're in Gallipoli.
Welcome to Turkey. Oh, here we. Incoming sandstorm, take cover! Take a deep breath, incoming sandstorm. Squad leader! Oh my goodness, you guys, this is impossible. Oh my god, I'm wiping sand out of my eyes.
Dude, my flip-flops are like already covered in sand.
They couldn't even get their panzers back up. Even the seagull can't fly. Oh my god, I can't see. It's too bright. There's sand in my eyes. Alright, this sandstorm is watch out, it gets even worse. This is disgusting. That's gross, dude.
Okay,
We're going to Gallipoli.
so we just left this really sandy area, as you
Yeah.
can see. Where are we heading now?
We made it back to our tank.
Yeah, we're back in Arizona too. We were just in. No, wait, no. This is the Arizona sign.
No, there was the strip boundary was back there.
Oh. So we're going to another part of the beach, and probably next the week after this, we're going to go camping up here on this beach over there where it was really sandy. Me and Fex's glasses are gone.
Yeah.
We lost them in the war.
We managed to capture 2 bunkers and cease all artillery fire on that beach. Sandstorm Squad is the only squad left in our platoon.
Division.
Platoon.
Whatever.
Division.
Platoon. It's a platoon, guys.
Yup, confirmed.
Confirmed by Mr. Orangutan.
We're flying the Nazi swastika so that the Nazis don't suspect that we're actually Americans. America.
America. Hell yeah. America.
All hell Hitler!
That was really offensive. Now we're gonna have to Now Felix is gonna get demonetized.
Demonetized.
Now we're gonna have to stop the video and restart it.
Wait.
Just kidding.
It'll be fine, guys. It's just a joke.
Just kidding.
See, now YouTube knows it's just a
YouTube,
joke.
please don't demonetize us. Please.
Just restart it.
Oh no, it's fine.
If YouTube deletes
I have no
you,
money.
if YouTube deletes you,
Some people are-
make another account before you.
You just gave away our plan, Justin.
What? Just gave your plan to YouTube.
Bro.
Yeah.
Are you allowed to pause on
Some people
iPhones?
are no. Some people are real Nazis. We're not real Nazis, so we won't get in trouble. I'll be fine. Does this go sideways? All
Hey
right.
guys, guess where we are?
Arizona.
We're coming back to we're gonna arrive at the next beach.
Okay.
So we'll see you guys there.
Lower the flag.
Say bye.
Lower the flag.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Just, I'll just film it while it's dark. I don't need the flash. Oh, let me focus on that car.
Oh Just a mouthful.
It's Mr. Bonobo.
Oh yeah, I can't see. Why can't I focus on it?
Wow. What? No.
I can't focus on it.
Go.
Oh my
Ah.
God.
That's fine with it. You can do that.
Oh sweet for the rest of the car ride.
Guys.
Here,
I'm gonna stick this on the end of the
Oh, this is
on
fun.
the
We
end
get
of
our
our
own
other
little.
videos, the Sandstorm videos.
Oh, this is cool. Look.
Because we've got closure. Oh yeah, and we've got our own private suite
Oh yes.
right here in the end of the jet.
This never happened to me before. It's so exciting.
And this is actually my first video.
This is a long. Wait, what?
This is actually not. This is my first video in which we have me.
See,
with
this is
all
what
3
happens.
apes.
See,
oh, you have basketball.
Oh, wait, were you there?
Yeah, I was.
Oh yeah, you were. So this is my second video where all
Oh,
3
then
apes
the
are
missing
with me.
lovers.
Oh yeah, you guys were in that one too. So it was my third. Yeah, never mind. It's nothing special.
Missing love.
guys, look. It's your meat wood.
Whoa, what's
Wait.
that? A bonobo?
Dang
My
it.
dad isn't packed up. A bonobo.
My dad found out about my YouTube channel. But don't worry, my dad was glad that I'm a YouTuber now.
Like just in case you get rich.
Because I need the money, and my dad would probably just use me for the money.
Well, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 views per video.
What?
Alfred, hold on to it.
It's actually how you get money on YouTube.
To get
You
monetized.
need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and at least 4,000 views.
Alfred!
Oh no, it's falling.
Our little
Following
private
the method.
Oh, that felt nice.
Okay, that's
Oh. So I just started up this video as closure because to say that our
Wait, I have a a question.
Were we successful?
Wait, I have a question.
Yes, what is the question?
Are we gonna make all 3 of the videos to one?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is just the epilogue. This is where we say our mission was successful.
So it's
Checking
dark.
back in several hours later is in fact dark out, as you can see.
Yeah, it's dark.
I am at my camera's actually facing outside. I don't know how well it looks.
Charge?
Oh, that's a reflection. Yeah. Wait. Yeah, I can't see it.
What's the closure? Just stay like this for the rest of the ride.
The closer is just to make sure that all of my viewers, all of my 10,000 subscribers, know
So
that
when we started around 10:30, I think.
We left at 10:30.
Yeah, 10:30.
And
we
now
left
it is,
and it's 9:10 right now.
No,
It
it's
is.
Oh no, wait, 8:10.
8:10.
Because my phone is still page time.
Page time.
It's some reason it
I'm gonna do
hasn't.
that. I'm gonna do
Oh,
that.
it's on airplane. Oh, no, it's not.
Zoomed in super far. Whoa.
What? Saturday, April 7th, 2019.
Okay. I'm cutting this now.
No,
What?
but look at this cool little area. You have to keep.
You can't really see it.
I'm gonna
So
let
it's
my
like-
bonobos see me.
So we're all sitting
For
here in the
for
back
10
seat.
for 10 subscribers, I'm gonna do a special video.
just showed him your password.
Oh yeah, I don't even have 10 subscribers. I have 8. It's sad. I can't even do a 10 subscribers special.
Do a 5 subscriber video.
It's your fault. No.
No, it's fine. I didn't get it.
You have 5 subscribers, right?
Show me after.
Alright. If it's not, we can like
I have 10.
Because you got that.
How do you have 10? I only have 8. Where are your subscribers?
See?
Channel picture sucks.
Channel. Oh, like you have a better one.
Yeah.
10 subscribers. My last video was 3 weeks ago.
Oh yeah, I like kind of watched the start of that one, but it was like boring because I couldn't hear what you were saying.
Should I go live?
Yeah, go on.
Yeah,
No. My views aren't probably
yeah,
gonna
like
watch it.
record with me. Are you going?
Hello guys,
Whoa, Mr.
Mr.
Bonobo is
Bonobo
live.
here, and I made a video today, but I didn't post it yet. This I made today, earlier. We just left from a cool, awesome camping, not camping trip,
A day trip to
day.
Lake Powell.
Lake Powell and Page, and we are heading home. And we're in the car, and we needed the lights.
Quit!
We
We needed the lights.
so the April and Lucky C's dad, they gave us the
No, I'm dubbed now. Fix the fox.
Fex the fox. So like they put this so he doesn't like
Get annoyed with us.
and
Too
then
late
like
for that.
drive into the canyon.
XD.
And then
I'm actually recording you record. Hi there.
hi, there's fam stuff.
I've got Mr. Chimp in the background.
and here's
Wow, what's in here? Where's
the April?
Mr. Orangutan the ape show? Come on, show your apey face.
Oh my god, I'm being filmed.
so
I
this
missed your
video is special. It's special for the.
Where'd it go? We recovered it.
Okay, sorry. Okay, so this video is special for my 10 subscribers.
Yeah, you got
10
those
subscribers.
subscribers like a month ago.
I've only got
Like you have 10 subscribers.
yeah, this is my 10,000 subscriber special because I'm
I was about to say 10,000, but then I'm all like, oh wait.
Did you guys know that Sky Does Minecraft deleted his channel?
Yeah.
Never mind.
Why?
Because he's stupid. Did you just recline your seat? Put that back up, Mr. Orangutan.
Mister, there's the road.
Oh yeah, the road is pretty impressive.
It's dark over there, but then.
I can't see. Oh,
But
there it
there's
is.
cool little areas. I'm like,
Whoa.
We're in a limbo.
yeah.
Headlights.
We're in the best limo in the world, guys. Okay,
Wow.
so all 4 of us are about to have a sleepover.
No, don't ever do that again.
At my house.
In
By Sophia.
the
Wait.
bonobo jungle.
Oh, yeah,
Whoa.
Tom, I'm
Whoa.
being touched by by
Yeah, the bonobo jump.
I'm
So thank you for subscribing, and if you're not subscribed,
Oh yeah, I didn't.
click that like button, click that subscribe button.
Don't
and
forget
leave
to
a
tap the
comment
bell
down.
to join the notification squad. Yeet.
Yeah, and my channel will get better in the future.
Dude. Oh my gosh! In one of my
Band-Aids.
videos, I put a list of
I can't get him on camera.
and I
Why
actually listed
Band-Aids?
Sophia as Mrs. Orangutan.
They're not giving us
Like,
money to show
yeah.
this. So buy them.
What are you saying? What do you?
Oh, and then the reflection.
Oh hi, hold on, wait, hold on. So hold it up.
I need
Okay, I can see your
food.
face through your phone. No,
I want the Band-Aid.
I can see your. Yeah, I can see your face through your phone. What? Oh wait, now do it to me. Do it to me. Can you see my face through my phone?
Yeah. My Band-Aids. They're very reliable.
Okay, so I'm gonna see you guys later. Peace out, my bonobos.
And I have to cut this one before it gets so long that
So,
nobody can.
bye.
Nobody wants
Not
to.
bonobos, right?
Bye.